Once a baby girl do some work, I'm just going to go at 1.9. There we go, 1.9. Let's do a quarter mile. Let's see how she's doing. Moving right along. Have seat. Nope. 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 Baby girl, back up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good job. You got it. You got it. There we go. Let's get some exercise in today. It's either this or... Nope, nope, nope. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, boo-boo. No, this way. This way. Come on. You got it. Up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There it is. Good job. You better do this or the insanity. We got some P90 eggs. Let's just take a little stroll. This is a lot more mental exercise than it is physical. You can go all day long. Good girl. Nope. Good girl. Nope. No collar. No telling her. She jumps right on. Oh, she loves the exercise. Good girl. Good job. Keep moving. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Is that going to be enough for today? Boo-boo. Look.